In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new primary account on Booking.com Extranet. This process is quite straightforward and will help you ensure the right people have access to manage your property listings efficiently. Let's dive into it, step by step. First, you'll need to log in to the Extranet. To do this, open your web browser and navigate to admin.booking.com. Here, enter your current primary account credentials to sign in. It's important to make sure you're using the correct login details for a seamless experience. Once you're logged in, the next step is to access the User Management section. To do this, locate the user account icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of your screen. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you should select Primary Accounts. Doing so will direct you to the section where you can view and manage users associated with your property's management. Now that you're in the primary accounts area, it's time to manage these accounts effectively. In the section titled Create and Manage Users, you'll need to click on Manage Primary Accounts. This allows you access to a well-organized interface where you can oversee existing accounts and, most importantly, add new ones. To add a new primary account, look for the option that says Add a Primary Account and click on it. A form will then appear that you'll need to fill in with the relevant details. You will be required to enter the name and email address of the individual you wish to designate as the new primary account holder. It's crucial to ensure the information entered is accurate, as this person will be responsible for making significant updates to property details and availability. Once you've entered the necessary details, you will have to assign an appropriate role and permissions to the new account holder. This step is vital as it determines the level of access and the type of tasks the new primary account holder can perform. Take a moment to carefully consider what responsibilities they will need to fulfill and allocate permissions accordingly. After you have completed the above information, the final step is to send the invitation. You simply need to click on Send Invitation, and an email will be dispatched to the recipient's inbox. This email will include detailed instructions on how to complete the setup process on their end. Make sure to inform the recipient that they should look out for this email, as it allows them to activate and start using their new account. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a new primary account on Booking.com Extranet. This process helps ensure that your team can collaboratively manage your listings, ultimately leading to smoother operations and improved efficiency. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.